Want your child to become a math genius, master of English, or a creative artist? Well, now, all of this is possible with just 15 minutes of daily practice. Doing one exercise a day will help your child develop a habit of self-learning. These exercises are part of a structured curriculum which has over 300 plus practice worksheets and engaging videos to learn any concept in just 5 minutes. You can also track your child's progress to know their strengths and improve on their weaknesses. Regular monthly tests will help you assess your child's conceptual understanding, and the doubts they may have will get solved in our one-on-one live sessions. And guess what? You can revise concepts and practice exercises as many times as you want at your own pace. Get rewarded with badges, trophies, certificates, and boost your child's motivation by getting their work featured on YC Feed and Digital Magazine. Trusted by more than 1 crore parents. Join now.